Hey, hi all. Welcome to my channel again. In the previous session, we talk about how shallow copy works when we copying one object value to another object. What was the problem when we assign with a single equal to operator, and how we have used a clone method. Now let's talk about a deep copy in this. So what is a deep copy? In a deep copy, whenever there is a reference type in the main object, we also have to copy each and every reference type data into the new object. So before coming to the deep copy, let's understand what happens when we do not use a deep copy. Okay. So first of all, we need to create a reference type. That's why let's create a one class. Let's say course. Here I will say property. I will say course name. Okay. I will use this here. Now this is a reference type in the main class. Now let me create dot course equal to new course. We have to initialize first. After that only we can add a course name equal to C sharp programming. Okay, I have added that course name. uh, Course name must be string. Now let's copy this from here to here. I will say course name course dot course name, and copy this from here to here. Let's say employee 2 here, and here also I will say employee 2. So here I have added a one course name for the employee 1 and not for the employee 2. Let's run this. Let's check what happens. Oh, so it has assigned C# programming to all the employees, employee 2 also, if you see here. So copying object with a reference type is not working properly. I have assigned C# programming to employee 1 only. It has copied to employee 2. That is correct. So now if I change the course dot name equal to Python programming, let's run again. Okay, now I could see a Python programming for employee 1 and employee 2. Here we have given the Python programming to employee 2 only and not employee 1. Still it has printed a Python programming for employee 1, which is incorrect. We have copied employee 1 to employee 2 and not employee to employee 1. So ideally it should not have print Python programming for employee 1. So whenever there is a reference type, it creates a problem, this kind of problem. So how we can resolve this problem? Let's check here. So here I will comment this. What I will do, I will create, let me close this. Okay, here I will create, let's say employee this dot member wise clone. Okay, I will create a new course equal to underscore. I will say underscore course dot name equal to employee dot course dot name return employee. Okay, before this I need to give this to employee codes. Okay, so I have created a object of this, created an object of this reference type, assigned this value to this, and I have passed this course to actual employee course. Okay, now let's run this. Now it has printed correctly. So for the first employee one, C# programming, employee one, C# programming. If you see here, employee one, here it has copied from employee one to employee two. So this is still correct. Now this is employee one only, C# programming. This is still correct. And for after changing the value, it has retained the value for the reference type. Okay, this is how copying deep copy works when we talk about the reference type. So I hope this video you found is very useful for you. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.